All right, guys, you know what time it is. You know the room, you know the deal. This is an unboxing of the Samsung LSP9T ultra short throw projector. So you guys know Samsung. Samsung makes, TVs, they make, smart home electronics, they make washers, dryers, refrigerators, all that other stuff. So now what they're very synonymous with is you'll probably know them as a TV manufacturer. So even their most expensive TV that's 4K is, I think it's like 4,500 bucks on Best Buy, and that's for an 85-incher. This goes up to 130 inches. MSRP on this one's $64.99. Is it worth the upgrade to go from this size screen to this size screen? We're gonna find out in a later episode. This video is all about doing a quick unboxing, so that's what I'm gonna do. Do an unboxing of this one, let you guys know the features, if it's right for you, if it's not right for you. We're gonna go ahead and find out, but we'll do it right after the intro. All right, says that home theater dude, Dr. Chris Mata. Respect. Like I was talking about, MSRP on this thing is $64.99. You can pick them up wherever. Big shout out to Samsung Direct. They actually coordinated with Elite Screens to send this thing out to me for review. And so we're gonna give them a review. Do a quick unboxing. You guys know how we do on the channel. Do some unboxings, do some reviews, let you know what we think about them, and then later on, at the end of this video, let you guys know about a special little touch that I'm gonna add right there at the end. So what do you get in the box? So you get the manual for the LSP9T, which is not the triple laser, and this is native 4K. It is 2,800 lumens, if I'm not mistaken, and it goes up to that full 130 inches on your diagonal screen, so a 16:9 inch or 16:9 image. It does that at only 9.9 inches, I think. So from the wall to the back part of this projector, you have minimal distance. So that's actually really cool. So what do we got in here? Quick setup guide. I'll probably reference that a little bit later. Owner's manual. Again, make sure you guys buy from an authorized dealer. You could be buying off the back of a truck, and then whenever it comes warranty time, you don't really know who you're dealing with. So make sure that you guys are spending your money wisely instead of just the lowest bidder. So we got a brand new remote here. I'm going to show you a quick up close version of this. Usually the eye autofocus will track my face the entire time. So let's see if this will focus this close up. Cool. Simple remote. Looks like you can talk to it. A lot of those smart features that are in the Samsung TVs. I haven't had a Samsung TV in forever. More of a Sony guy myself, but Samsung does make some terrific TVs, and you have those smart features in there as well. Power cord, nothing crazy about that. And then, oh, this is some beefy styrofoam. So let's go ahead and get this thing out. Oh, yeah! All right, so I don't think that box is gonna make it any longer. Some heavy duty styrofoam in here. And again, like I was talking about, this was sent via Samsung and Elite Screens, so I'm guessing this is more or less a demo unit, so don't judge this unboxing by the quality of the gear. It's probably repackaged by someone to get sent out here. So there is legitimately no easy way to do this. So that took an unnecessarily long amount of time to accomplish. So this is what we got. Pretty simple, blends right into your decor. I think this was only available in white. I want to double check the website, but I've only seen it in white, so I'm guessing that's probably the only finish that you have for right now. So there's probably some, demand for it. They might make them later on in the year, but this is what we have right now. So get this film off. That's satisfying. I'm gonna show you some quick up close shots of this. Doesn't really look like there's much to it. Like I was talking about, 2,800 lumens. This thing's gonna last 20,000 hours is what it says. Triple laser, RGB, native 4K. It has a 40-watt soundbar built into the front, and it's in kind of like a decreasing array of hole diameter. So that's more focused for the frequencies to come out. It's kind of like a port tuning type of thing. But you have that 4-speaker array in there, and then you also have, it says 2.2, so I'm guessing that's 2 subwoofers. So not really expecting too much crazy bass coming out of this thing, but I'm expecting it to sound, you know, pretty good, especially whenever you're comparing it to a TV and not a full home theater. But yeah, let's show you the walk around. All right, guys, so let's go ahead and check out the back here. Looks like it's very simple. We have a lock, so if you're this isn't going to apply to anyone on that's watching this video. If you own a Best Buy and you don't want people to steal it, you're probably going to use this right here. You have your power on and off, your digital out, which is really, really cool because this already has its, you know, sound bar built into it. But if you want to use your own sound bar, or if you have your own home theater or your whole, you know, audio already set up, you can use this and then it'll go into your AVR or your sound bar, and then you'll still be able to, you know, have your sound that way. We have a USB, not really sure if this will play files or whatnot, but usually these are for updates only. I'd have to consult the manual. If I'm wrong, I'll go ahead and leave it down in the description as well. 3 HDMI ins, which is, you know, standard on a projector. This isn't an AVR, so you're not gonna have HDMI ins and outs. This is basically the termination point. So 3 ins, and then you have your eARC over here. So if you want to sit there and use the remote and turn on and up the volume and control your, you know, home theater and stuff like that, you can basically plug this in, and then you'll still be good to go in that regard because it'll talk to each other. LAN for network control. I don't know what this one is. It's called X-Link. I'm not really familiar with that. But then here we have our standard antenna. So in addition to getting your local news and your local sports on your antenna that you purchase separately, you can get free channels on Samsung devices. So I'm not sure if you guys know, but on Samsung TVs, they've been doing this for a little bit. You get a whole bunch of channels that aren't necessarily on the airwaves that go through the air. So that's something that they have available for you there. And then power down below. So that's basically it for the back. Let's show you the front. And that's the front. Well, all right, so this is the top of the unit. Very simple, nothing really else to talk about on this one. They claim that you only need I think it's 9.4 or 9.7 inches. I'm gonna leave it down in the description. But that's all you need to get your full 130-inch image. And even then, if you wanted to go to like 100, I think it's like 4.4 inches, which is nothing. So if you guys have ever set up a ultra short throw projector, you know that it's kind of a pain. Oh, one more thing I forgot to mention is they have a sensor in here so that if you get over here, get too close to it, your kid gets over here, it'll dim the image so that, you know, you're not staring right into the barrel of 2800 lumens in a small square footage area. Down below, quite simple. I'm gonna make sure that this thing's in focus. So down below, it's really easy. You have the 3 little areas. You have one here, and then you have 2 more here. So to level this thing, you want to make sure that it's on your bookshelf entertainment stand as it would be, and then you're just going to twist these up and down, you know, so that's level left and right. And then you're going to make sure that this is true with your wall at the same time, because that way you'll get a perfectly true image that's not keystone, that's not warped and stuff like that. So those are the fine adjustments that you have available below. I think that's basically the general idea of this unit. So let's see if you guys are gonna like this. Got one of these, but wait, there's more. And one of these. Let's see if I can even do the outro over here. Well, all right, so it looks like I'm gonna do a review of this Elite screen. This is their ultra short throw material. So this is their ultra short throw screen, which is the big reason why I'm doing this video. They coordinated with Samsung Direct, so both of them agreed to send these things out to me for review. I've had this Vava for a while. And now what we can do is we can do this one a proper review for you, shown on the wall like they claim that, well, Samsung claims is the best way to do it. Or, you know, obviously grab a screen. It's going to be more predictable in its response and give you the best overall image. So if that's the aesthetic you want to go with just being able to turn off the screen, you don't see anything there and then it appears out of nowhere. You guys have that ability. Or what you can do is you can do the more, I would say the more proper approach, grab a screen and then you have the ability to block the ambient light in the room, because more or less TVs go in living rooms, TVs go in areas of high traffic, TVs go in areas that have a lot of light. So I think that's going to be the Achilles heel with any projection system is light, right? So ambient light rejecting, CLR type of materials, ultra short throw materials, all that stuff matters whenever it comes to your experience. So, well, that's all I got for you. If you want to go ahead and grab one of these, I'm going to leave my buddy's Dream Media down in the description so you guys can reach out, shoot them an email, give them a phone call. They'll help you out with your Samsung ultra short throw needs. Besides that, I'm going to do all the things that I was talking about. All that stuff's coming to the channel shortly. Wanted to pop out this video right quick because I've noticed, just a quick search on YouTube, no one's really done videos on this thing. So it's cool to get your hands on it first, and also it's cool just to check out new tech. So we're gonna see if this is right for you. Besides that, got nothing else for you. Make sure you like, favorite, share, and subscribe. Catch you on the next one.